OHS and other national certifications and honorary certificates. Our main products are LED panel lights, LED bulbs, LED downlights, LED moisture-proof lamps, etc. Diversified products can cater to the needs of various markets. We have sophisticated instruments to test the finished data. Constant temperature Indian oven detects product quality for 24 hours. The engineering department conducts engineering tests on the products and fully automates the SMT placement machine. The intelligent laser marking machine can meet the needs of various custom requirements. Each batch of products will be randomly sampled for aging testing to test product life. LED lamp special glue machine to ensure that the IP level of the product meets the requirement. Manually process and assemble the product to ensure the quality of the product. The company has a strict production management system and quality assurance system. There is a professional dry production workshop, manual assembly of the dry, and deep processing of the dry and detection of dry performance. All interested parties are welcome to come to our company to discover cooperation matters.